not heavy.
No, and it's not heavy. Shake it, 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 y'all.
Welcome to my channel.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Michelet, and this is Immaculate Life. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to be doing some braids with the oval/circle partings on my client. I'm going to be doing a 1B around the sides and the back, and on the top, I will be doing a 1B 33. It will blend, and the reason that I am doing the oval partings is because in the front she's a little bit thin, so I wanted to make sure that it look as full as possible. So that's the reason why I'm doing this. So I hope you all can just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Also, the products that I'm using is Magic Finger Studios Shine and Jam. I love this stuff. I will make sure I leave that in the description box. Please check that out in my Amazon store. Also, I am using a bunch of Influance Haircare products, so that will be in the description box as well. So as you all can see, I am trying to tuck my client's hair. She is about 45 to 50% gray. So my goal is to try to tuck as much of her gray as I can. Sometimes those grays can be a little bit stubborn and they stick out a little bit out of the braid. But my goal is to make sure that I can tuck as much as possible. And you will get to see more when I get more towards the top because she has more gray up there. So I hope you all enjoy the video. Sit back and relax.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. By my appetite. appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
gray is more prominent now in the front.
That's all right, girl. But look, don't even look with the braids and like you have any gray. Like, it's just crazy.
Look at that. Oh my god, you did a fabulous job. And they're not heavy.
Yep.
Oh
That's
gosh.
always.
As always. This is, oh my god, I got a million braids.
Yeah. And it's not heavy.
No, and it's not heavy. Shake it, 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 y'all.